Yo, what up? This is Visanity from the Sysbot channel, my second channel. I'm back with another unboxing video. And my crypto mining addiction continues. And today I bought 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. 3 of the Asus Phoenix GeForce GTX 1660 Super GPUs. Yeah. Bought them from the same guy I bought the 2 RTX 3070, the Zotac ones. From the same dude. These ones ran for about 2,400 something Hong Kong dollars, which is about 300 something USD. And yeah, gonna add these to my mining rigs, which I'll show you in a bit. Some of the, yeah, after I installed the RTX 3070s, you guys can see what it looks like now. The reason why I got these is because I have 3 1660 Ti's, or was it 4? I can't remember. 3 1660 Ti's and 1 1660 Super, and they're very efficient. They don't use as much power as the 1070s, and they're not as hot, and they can do at least 31 mega hash per second after overclock. So I have some 1070s in there, GTX 1070s, which I'm going to sell after I install these. Those are not as efficient, and they're hot, and they use more electricity per like hash rate. So these are more efficient, but they are a little bit more expensive. But they will get ROI better than the 1070s. Okay. So let's open one of these up. Okay, let me, yeah, 3 of them. They're the same thing, so I'm just gonna open one. Yeah, the box is a lot smaller than the Zotac, the 3070s. Let me show you guys right now, so we can do a comparison. Yeah, this is the, oops, this is the 3070. This is the 1660. Much smaller box. I don't know if you guys can see, but you get the idea. Yeah, so many boxes in my room now. It's crazy, man. Alright. Yeah, because this GPU is a lot smaller, as you guys can see. It's only a single fan GPU. And dual ball fan bearings. Wing blade fan design. That's pretty cool. Software suite, blah blah blah. TFAS, okay. NVIDIA highlights. Automatically record your best gaming moments. NVIDIA Ansel turn screenshots into art with 360 HDR and super response. Game ready driver. So this came out in not too long ago, 2019, and yeah, it's brand new. Still got the warranty and stuff by from the distributor in Hong Kong. The price, yeah, it's sealed. Still sealed. It's got the seal. Never been opened. So let's crack it open now. Yeah, can't wait to install these and sell my 1070s, because my room is really hot right now because of those run at like at least 80 degrees, so it's pretty hot, man. These ones can run at like 50, 60 degrees. How come I don't know how to open this? Okay, here we go. Oh, look how tiny it is. Very compact little GPU here. Still sealed from the factory. It's nothing much. Yeah. Nothing too exciting. Nothing to call home about. Thank you card. Some instruction manual. We don't need that stuff. Whoever reads this anyways, no one does. Warranty card, that's important. And usually we keep the boxes so that we can probably resell them later. Okay, here we go. Wow, look how tiny this thing is. Still got all the... Yeah, it's still sealed with the plastic. Yeah, let me remove this. It's got the cover for the DVI. It's got all the covers, actually. Yeah. Let's remove that. I'll put the cover back on because I don't really need the... Because I'm using it for mining, I'm not using it for gaming, so I don't really need to plug those in. The PCB is exposed on the back. Okay. It's got the protection for the PCI slot. That I need to remove, obviously. And yeah, let's remove this. Definitely need to remove this because of the... Yeah, we can't leave that on. Because it gets very hot when it's mining, so we don't want the plastic to melt. So there it is. Small little GPU right here. Wow, very satisfying spinning fans. You see the heat sink down here. Takes one 8-pin connector. 2 HDMI, 1 DVI. Yeah, very simple little GPU. Alright. Now let's take a look at the current situation of my bedroom mining. It's really hot right now in my room. I have all my windows open, but today it's very hot. It's like 20 something degrees. And there's no wind today. Usually it's quite windy over here, but no wind. That's very hot because the wind will help the hot air get blown out outside of my room. I'm thinking of probably maybe actually installing a ventilation fan on one of my windows. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Yeah, because I'm really serious about this crypto mining thing, man. Alright, so let me switch the camera. Alright, so as you can see, this is one of my rigs. This one I bought from Taobao. I think you guys maybe heard me talk about this before. This rig is currently now running 5 GPUs with all 5 of these are 1070 GTX 1070s, which I have been complaining about. It's a bit hot. Yeah, you can see me sweating. There's no wind today, so my room gets very hot today. Yeah. In the summer, I probably have to turn on the aircon, and the electricity bill is going to be a lot higher than right now. And here's my most highest highest hash rate rig. This rig can pump out about 200 something hash rates. And I call this one Dark Vader because it's black. And it's running one RTX 3070, the Zotac Gaming one. Yeah, you guys saw me unbox earlier, and there's another Zotac Gaming. This one is a 1670. This one, and this one right here are 1070s. This one, and this one are also 1660. So I'm gonna probably replace these 3 1070s with the 1660s. You guys just saw me unbox. Yeah, and here's the computer monitor. You can see that's the monitor for this rig right here. You can see I'm running Afterburner with the with the overclock. You can see the mining scripts that is running right now, Phoenix Miner. And finally, the coolest rig I have right here. Well, it's not really a rig, it's a tower desktop with the cool RGB fans. Yeah, I can switch the color of the fans actually. As you guys can see here. Yeah, pretty nifty. And this one is running two RTX 3070. The top one is the China brand colorful GeForce RTX 3070, and then the bottom one is the Zotac Gaming RTX 3070 you guys saw me unbox earlier. Okay, and I'll show you something else real quick. And this is my laptop and my monitor. Alright. And as you guys can see the screen right here, this is what I use for mining. This is called ethermine.org, and it uses the Phoenix Miner. Right now, as you can see, my reporter hash rate is over 500, 515.9. On average, those three rigs you guys just saw can pump out 479 mega hash, 479.7 mega hash, and I can do about 0.2926 Ethereum per day, give or take, depending on the, the Ethereum lottery, crypto lottery. Sometimes you get higher, sometimes it's lower. And you can see the rigs down there, how much each rig earns daily. So the Darth Vader is actually doing 260. This is the RGB desktop tower. It can do, give or take, 120 mega hash. Right now it's only doing 98. It's give or take. And then this one is the Taobao one, the louder one, 133. So hopefully I can improve the hash rates by at least 10 mega hash after I install the three 1660s. And I'm also using Kudo Miner for my laptop. This one is my laptop right here. This top one right here is obviously I paused it. It's not mining anything right now because I'm recording a video. This thing can do about 17, 18 mega hash daily. Yeah, and this one down here is a laptop at my wife's office. It's currently not doing so well, only 16.3 mega hash. It's a Razer Blade, which has a GTX 1060 graphics card, GPU. Yeah, so if you want to start mining, use my link in the description below, Kudo Miner. Use that link, you can sign up and you can start mining. Basically, if you have a laptop, gaming laptop, you can start mining. If you have a gaming desktop with a minimum of a 1060 GTX 1060 GPU with a 6 gig RAM, you can start mining. Yeah, it's pretty simple and it's profitable because Ethereum cryptocurrency is so high these days. We don't know about the future, but right now it's profitable, definitely profitable, even if you have to pay high electricity bill. And if you're totally new into this scene, you guys can sign up for a cryptocurrency wallet on Coinbase. Use my link below. And most important of all, join my Discord. We can talk about cryptocurrency, crypto mining. The link is down there. Not many people are on there right now. I started a channel for this topic, crypto mining, cryptocurrency. No one really cares. Hope we can get more people into this. And obviously subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Help me reach 1,000 subs. And I'll be making more content as we go along and I'll document my journey of crypto mining. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.